Lisa from WTI, and today I would love to share with you the toner I've been using for over 5 years. It's the Thayers Witch Hazel Original. I chose this for many reasons. First of all, 98% of their ingredients are organic. It doesn't have any alcohol, which doesn't cause any irritation on my skin. I have very, very sensitive skin, and I tend to get it red right away if a product doesn't settle very well. And this one has been wonderful. It's very smooth, it's very gentle, and it's very nice for your skin. You're gonna see right away that not only does it clean out whenever you use it, any leftover dirt, but it also hydrates your skin with the aloe vera, leaving it hydrated. It works wonderful. I love it. You get a lot, 12 ounces for a very good price. It'll last such a long time, and you don't have to spend any more money to have nice looking skin. I highly, highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.